The ground delay at DIA is over, but it may be a while before travelers get to where they need to go.
I think we're all stuck. I think there's a lot of people that have been stuck.
It is pretty annoying, yeah. It is. It's very annoying. I'm gonna just hang out for a couple more days and then find another flight with a different airline, and hopefully I'll be back by tomorrow or Friday. I don't know.
According to FlightAware, it's a site that tracks flights, airlines canceled 161 flights today. Almost 600 were delayed. Passengers who were able to land said it was a pretty bumpy ride. The airport was only using 2 of their 6 runways for most of the day because of the wind patterns, but all 6 are now in use again tonight.